No, it isn't.
This right here is a chick.
No, it isn't.
Yeah.
It's from a fucking guy magazine.
Well, your guy magazine
So-
is for chicks.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh yeah.
What shoe should I wear?
Oh fuck, I don't feel good.
Those ones.
Yeah.
I feel good. I feel awesomeness.
Oh wait, there you go.
If you fucking throw up in here, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking shove my dick so far up your ass, it's gonna come out of your mouth.
Sounds good.
This time. Hey, I don't give a fuck. I'm fucked up right now.
That's why I left. Because if you go look outside, you can see it.
See what? Oh, you threw up? Fuck yeah. Whoa!
Because this stuff. This stuff makes you awesomeness.
Hey, hold this.
I have to pee.
Hold this.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold this and then point it quick. Wait, give me this.
Okay. This is so going on my face.
No.
Here's Eric.
Yeah.
And this is Keith.
What's up, baby?
We're lovers.
Oh, yeah.
Secretly, okay?
Okay.
Between you.
Okay, where the fuck's my hat now?
Who cares about your hat? You look fine without it.
Shit.
Into your light.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, what happened to the thing?
Some fat fuck ripped it
What?
off.
Oh,
Dude, it feels so weird on my head.
you look awesomeness.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna bring my skateboard because I'm not gonna be able to skate.
Wah, wah, wah.
So now before I get
Wah, wah, wah.
take a swig.
Wah, wah, wah.
Look, yeah, there you go. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sexiness.
Yeah, there we go. Wait, one more.
Fondness. Fondness.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey, are you?
Woo!
You're not even drunk yet, are you?